Let me break down to you at least 7 aspects of the photography business that have nothing to do with your shots. Here's something a lot of photographers learn the hard way. Your portfolio, as strong as it is not everything. Number 1, communication. Napakahalaga na mabilis kang mag-respond sa client, sa mga inquiries, sa mga emails, sa mga DMs. Kasi pagka hindi ka agad nag-respond, ang iisipin sa'yo ng kliyente, mabagal ka rin magtrabaho. Being responsive, clear, and respectful in how you talk to clients, game changer. Second, client experience. From inquiry to delivery, make it smooth. Kailangan maramdaman ng kliyente, whether it's an agency or a direct brand, na masaya ka at masarap kang katrabaho. Sa unang dating mo pa lang, mararamdaman nila yung professionalism, friendliness, at marunong ka mag-manage ng expectations. These things matter way more than most of us think. Number 3,